Hongdefa 150 tons per 24 hours maize milling machine with steel structure design. PLC automatic control system. Stainless steel moisture bin and final product bin. This milling line is complete. Line include maize cleaning, degerminating, milling, sifting, grading, and packing. Cleaning section include maize cleaner, gravity destoner, the moisture damper. Degerminator is European technology. The roller mill is the most advanced. Include maize cleaning, degerminating, milling, sifting, grading, and packing. Cleaning section include maize cleaner, gravity destoner, the moisture damper. Degerminator is European technology. The roller mill is the most advanced automatic roller mill. Can operate easily. The plan sifter is 6-section with high quality. The packing system can be automatic and manual. Can pack to different size.